Let's find the domain of the given function. It contains logarithmic function and logarithmic defined for only non-zero or positive values. So the argument here would be greater than 0. So here it is. Now let's simplify this inequality. We get x squared plus y squared is less than 1. As you all know, the equation for the unit circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. That is, it has a center at origin. The domain of the function can be written as all the ordered pairs x, y which satisfy the inequality x squared plus y squared less than 1. Now, what is the domain? The domain here are all the interior points of the unit circle. Let's sketch its graph. So first I will sketch the unit circle. So here it is the unit circle. Now less than 1 means all the points inside the boundary. So this is the region for the given function, that is domain for the given function. I used dashed lines for the boundary. It means the boundary points are not included in the domain of this function.